Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So far, we have discussed alkanes and alkenes, and today we are going to study the third important class of hydrocarbon, which is alkynes. Now, let's discuss alkynes in detail. Let's start. Alkynes. Definition of alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain at least one triple bonds between carbon atoms. Nature: unsaturated hydrocarbons, highly reactive due to triple bonds. General formula of alkynes is CnH2n-2. Examples of alkyne: ethyne or mean styrene C2H2, propane C3H4, butane C4H6. Structure of alkynes. Triple bond consists of one sigma bond, two pi bonds. Hybridizations. Carbon atoms are sp hybridized. Bond angle is 180-degree linear. Solubility of alkynes. Alkynes are insoluble in water, soluble in organic solvents, in benzene, ether. First member of alkyne series, ethyne or styrene. Structure: H bond C triple bond C bond H. Importance: most important alkyne widely used in weldings. Classification of alkynes. Alkynes are classified and first one, terminal alkynes, triple bond at end. Example: ethyne HC triple bond CH. Second one, internal alkynes, triple bond are present in metals. Example: but to iron. Physical state of alkynes: number of carbons atom. Physical state: from carbon 2 to carbon 4 gases, and from carbon 5 to carbon 15 or liquid, or higher members or solids. Comparison of hydrocarbons. Property: saturation: alkanes are saturated, alkenes are unsaturated, while alkynes are also unsaturated. Bonds: in alkane single bond is present, in alkene double bond is present, while in alkyne triple bond is present. General formula of alkane is CnH10 plus 2. General formula of alkene is CnH10, or general formula of alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Reactivity: alkanes least reactive, alkenes more reactive, and alkynes are highest reactive. Why alkynes are more reactive? Because presence of two pi bonds, high electron density, easily undergo addition reaction. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and alkynes. I hope you are understanding. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.